Some services rendered by the customer service unit to customers. Yeah, there are some services required that as a customer, is customer service unit that you go straight when you get to the bank for enquiries. Some of these enquiry and some of these services that could be rendered to customers by customer unit service officer are these. For example, you need your account balance. You need your account balance. It's customer service unit that you go to check your account balance if you are in the bank physical. For example, there is a challenge. You did a transaction and your transaction didn't go well. For example, you did a transaction in POS and you are debited, you weren't pay, and the POS officer said the debit didn't come to his or her, and the money wasn't paid to you, or you did an ATM transaction, the ATM didn't bring out the money, and you were debited. This kind of inquiry, you go to customer service unit. That is where you make this kind of inquiry, and that is where your issue is being resolved. They will give you certain forms to fill depending on the issue you are having, and they will process they will process, and your issue will be resolved. For example, also you need statement of account. It's same customer service unit that you go to. There is a form they will equally give to you to fill, to print your statement of account depending on what you need it for. You could just need it to confirm some transaction which you are in doubt of. You could equally need it. Probably you want to use it for something else. For example, for embassy. So when you are requesting, you have to give a proper instruction on what you need the statement of account for, so that the customer service officer will know exactly where to go and the type of statement to print for you, whether it's the one that requires endorsement, whether it's the one that you just need to verify your transaction. Then again, references. References, if you need a reference, if you need reference for your company, customer service officer, that is where you equally go to make an inquiry, and they are the one that will equally get it done for you. Then again, for account opening information, if you want to open an account and you goes into the bank, it's customer service unit that you go to that will enlighten you and tell you all you need for your account to be opened. And if that they give you a package to fill and you submit to them, they are equally the ones that will generate your account in some cases. I know there are some banks that use marketers to do this, but major bank is customer service officer that will equally generate your account. Lot of several things that the customers office or customers officer does. Even some customer service officers, the issuer of ATM card, they are the one that equally does that in some banks. You need a card, you go to customer service desk, they give you forms to fill, they do the process and get your card ready for you. Lot of things that the customer service officer does. These are just few example of what the customer officer does. Yes, you need to like, comment, share, and most importantly, follow Solar Amplifier for more details like this. You need to be abreast with all these kind of things to be the king that you actually are as far as banking is concerned. Thank you.